Islington as a borough, and it has the second most densely populated area. So managing the infrastructure and the space on the public side for all of those people with their various needs and demands is quite challenging. I knew I needed a business intelligence tool to sort of look at my business and try to glean data out of it and understand where it's going. It's a bespoke reporting tool, so what we've done is linked it to our various main databases for the businesses, parking system, waste management system and highway system, to be able to build custom reports and dashboarding to give real-time information of what the service is performing and delivering. So while we bought it for a business intelligence tool, we were actually able to use a lot of the functionality in there to do system design to some extent. And that had enabled us to actually use it for more than we expected. So we could build mobile web platforms for this stuff, widgets for desktops, and also started to do process management. So alerts and system calls and reports on schedules, all those kind of things we didn't expect it to be able to do.
Previously, we've been used to a slow system of shuffling paperwork and drawing off reports and using spreadsheets. Now with Logi, we have massive cost savings. We're saving £500,000 a year. Logi has proven to be superior to other software that we've used by providing information very quickly. This is enabling us to respond much faster, and I think it's also completely re-engineering how we're doing parking. We've been able to bring it into every situation and develop it and use it. Whereas before we've had crystal reports, now with Logi, it's just a direct bolt-on. There's no massive engineering, there's no reorganisation of the structure. Logi has become so important to us now that it's pretty much at the centre of everything we do. Implementing Logi was very easy. You can manipulate the console to look and feel how you want. You don't have to stick to a predetermined template. It's very easy to adjust.
It's been able to look at the business in a different way. That's kind of enabled us to generate savings by looking at how resources are deployed and questioning whether that resource deployment is reasonable. And since we've been running it, we've managed to make around about £500,000 worth of contract savings. We started to not only do business intelligent reporting, but start using it to replace parts of the system to speed up productivity. For example, some of the searching and queries that were in the base system took 8 hours to run. Using Logi, they run in 1.5 minutes. The key benefits of the system: it's affordable, very intuitive to use. I learned to use it in half an hour to develop custom reports, and you can build some meaningful stuff in half a day. Practical example, probably the biggest one for us in parking was the guys on street that go and issue tickets. When you look at where problems and issues are on the street, where we're deploying resources, you soon realise that we're applying too many people to areas that didn't need to be enforced. So you could scale back the numbers and still get the same level of compliance.
We've been using Logi now for 7 or 8 months to process stuck tickets. During that time, we've probably cleared about 16,000 tickets. It's been an immediate success. We've straight away been able to find addresses and issue our statutory documentation, and we've straight away seen revenue come in as a result of that.
Having implemented it, the other day I was out on site, I didn't have access to Logi and I felt totally lost. It has changed how we monitor the contract completely. We have found the more we use Logi, the more it develops or encourages ideas. And I don't think we're anywhere near close to reaching the bottom yet.